So we have PQ is drawn in such a way that P is in the north. So this is PQ. P is in the north and Q is in the south. AB is such that A is in the west. AB is such that A is in the west and B is in the east. PQ axis and AB axis intersect at a point X. So that PX is 6, XQ is 12, XB is 16 and XA is 10. Now Ajay starts from point A. And he walks 6 meters in the north. So 6 meters meaning he has to be exactly in line with P. Okay, so he walks 6 meters to the north and then he takes a right turn and walks for 4 meters. He is here somewhere. So this distance is 4. He is somewhere here. Okay, somewhere here, but in the same line as P. And stopped at point D. So this is point D. So if this is 4, okay, between this is 4, this should be 6. Correct? Because this total is 10. So this is 4, this is 6. Rahul starts from point Q. Rahul is with point Q. Walks for 6 meters in. So it is 6 meters here. So this is exactly under D, right? And exactly under D. Because this is also 6. 6 in west direction. Then he takes a right turn and walks for 16. So here he takes a right turn, meaning he'll walk on the dotted line. Between Q and P it is 12 plus 6, 18. So between this point and D it is also 18. But he'll walk for 16 meters only. So he'll walk till here somewhere. Meaning he will walk for a total of 16. If this is 16, what is that point? Point T. Point T is here. Point D is here. What will this be? This distance between D and E will be 2, because totally it should be 12 plus 6, 18. Here it's already 16 he has walked, so it will be 2 more. So DE will be 2. Just writing it here. Sumit starts from point B and walks 6 meters in the northern direction. So he'll be exactly in the line of P and takes a left turn and walks for 18. If he walked for 16, he would come to P. He will walk for 2 more, meaning he will come till here and stops at point F. So PF is 2. Okay, why is it 2? If he had walked for 16, he would have come exactly at P, because this and this would have been 16, but he's walked 18, meaning he's walked 2 more. So distance between F and P will be 2 meters. See, you have point D here and your point P here. Okay, distance between D and P is already calculated as 6. If you see, this distance is 6. D and P distance is 6 meters. What is the distance between E and D? We know it is 2. It is also there. D and P is 6. All of those distances we have written here and covered. Next question, if point Z is 6 meters to the west of point Q, 6 meters to the west of point Q meaning this is Z. Okay, this is Z, 6 meters, right? This is what he walked. So this 6 would be equal. So this is Z. Then what is the distance between point Z and point D? Point Z, see, this is point D, this is point Z. What is the distance? The total distance will be the same as this distance, right? Between Q and P. See, QP is like this. This is exactly to the left of Q. D is exactly to the left of P. So this distance will be the same. So PQ will be 12 plus 6, 18 meters. Hence ZD will also be 18 meters.